I was a part of Affiliate 2.0 program created by Agnieszka Gaczkowska, and I need to say that it was an amazing experience. First of all, the logic behind the course, like starting from the mindset, going through the technical details, up to case studies and real life examples, that was something that truly kept my attention. And second of all, because everything was happening within the group of like-minded women, I also managed to create connections and actually start cooperation with one of the amazing participants. And to be honest with you, that was one of the very few courses that I followed from the very first lesson to the very last, doing all the exercises. It allowed me to actually introduce affiliate to my strategy, to the strategy of my business as a creator of content, as well as the participant. I'm Agnieszka Płoska, a founder of She Crowdfunds, and I truly recommend to you participating in Affiliate 2.0. Thank you. Good luck.